So, we'll gather together the letter terms first of all. I'm going to subtract x from this side and then x from this side. 2x plus 3 is greater than 9. I'll subtract 3, 2x is greater than 6, divide by 2, x is greater than 6 over 2, x is greater than 3. Now, we'll gather together the letter terms. We've got 3x and a minus 2x. This is the larger, so I'm going to add 2x to both sides. 13 is less than or equal to 5x minus 7. Add 7 to both sides. What I'm going to do now is to turn the whole inequation round and divide by 5. Question 8, expand the bracket. We've got a plus 6 and a plus 3. Subtract 9. So here's a slightly trickier one with a bracket. We've got minus 6x minus 12. Now 3x is bigger than minus 6x, so we're going to gather the letter terms onto the right hand side. Then subtract 24. Now I'm going to turn the whole inequation round and divide by 9.